Hello, my name is Jennifer Hamrick,
And my name is Dominique Jones.
and we are students in EDM 310 at the University of South Alabama. Hey Dominique, have you ever heard of pedagogy?
Pedal what?
Pedagogy.
No, what is that?
It's a study of teaching methods. And I was reading Mark Prensky's book, Teaching Digital Natives, and I really liked his idea on partnering in the classroom.
I've never heard of partnering in a classroom. What is that?
It's where teachers and students partner up in a student's learning process. It lets students focus on the part of the learning process that they do best, and teachers focus on the part of the learning process that they do best.
I don't quite understand that. How could that actually work in a classroom?
First, by letting students focus on what they do best. You're giving them responsibility for finding and following their passion. They use whatever technology is available while researching and finding information. And then students answer questions and share their thoughts and opinions, practice, and create presentations using text and or multimedia.
That seems fairly easy to do. There are so many technological tools available to students now, and the list for tools gets longer and longer every day. But what would be the teacher's role in a classroom?
Oh, the teachers would be responsible for creating and asking the right questions, and of course giving guidance to the students. The teachers will need to put the material in context and still explain things one-on-one. Teachers also need to ensure the quality of the work and make sure it's being completed properly.
So if I'm understanding this correctly, partnering pedagogy, teachers don't spend their time lecturing or telling students information. Instead, the teacher asks a variety of questions in many different ways, and the students are responsible for finding the answers or solutions.
That's correct. And teachers will also suggest some tools that could be used to aid in answering these questions or give the students help with a place to start. But that's how partnering pedagogy works. Students really do prefer to have an active role in their learning process. They like to find out things and not just be told about things.
Partnering pedagogy sounds very similar to project-based learning. So students basically learn by doing.
Exactly. While each of these methods are similar, they're different in their own ways. They're all based on students learning on their own or in groups, with guidance from a teacher by answering questions or solving problems. But the difference with partnering, though, is that in order for it to work, you have to draw on the strengths of the teacher and the student.